Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizkawati Pomolango with name 44242003 from class Chemistry A 2020. Today, I will present a video about inorganic chemistry, practicum entitled Modification of Sulfur. Objective to study several modifications of sulfur and to study characteristic of hydrogen and sulfuric acid. Literature review and sulfur is a chemical element in the periodic table that has the symbol S and atomic number 16. Its form is a tasteless, odorless, multivalent nonmetal. Sulfur in its natural form is a yellow crystalline solid. In nature, sulfur can be formed as an essential element for life and is formed into amino acid. Its commercial use in mainly in fertilizer, but also in gunpowder, matches, insecticides, and fungicides. Tools and materials. Category 1, an evaporation cup, test tube, glass stirrer, measuring cup, volumetric valves, test tube clamp and stative, and test tube racks, drop pipette. And category 2, analytic balance, hot plate, and foam hot. Material specific material and alcohol, sulfuric acid, potassium chromate, sulfur. And general materials, tap water, aqueous, copper chip, tissue, facing soap, sucrosa, ethanol, distilled water, fill paper. And modification of sulfur. First modification, sulfur acid in crystalline form depending of temperature. In this experiment, sulfur melt because of the nature of the sulfur itself it will melt it if it is above the heating a temperature of 95 degrees Celsius. After freezing, prismatic needles are formed, namely monoclinic sulfur or also called beta sulfur. The beta sulfur molecular needles consist of an S-egg ring which in an octahedral crystal. The second modification, the sulfur powder become a brown yellow liquid because the ring S-egg broken. If the temperature continues to be raised, the liquid will become viscous and the color will turn darker because the ring S-egg breaking and form a cline. Characteristic of sulfuric acid. Characteristic of sulfuric acid. The first step is to heat a piece of copper with 1 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid when heated. The solution boils. From the result of observation, gas bubbles forms. Copper is insoluble in acid but can dissolve in sulfuric acid to form copper sulfate and sulfur dioxide. Sulfuric acid reacts with copper requires hot. Concentrated sulfuric acid in this reaction produces sulfur dioxide. This happens because hot concentrated sulfuric acid as an oxidizing agent. In the reaction that occurs in the above equation produce sulfur dioxide gas. From the reaction between copper and concentrated sulfuric acid, characterized by the presence of gas bubbles. The third observation, the nature of sulfuric acid as a dehydrating agent is reacting sucrose with concentrated sulfuric acid. From this experiment, sucrose is black. It can be seen that sulfuric acid decomposes sucrose of separate hydrogen and oxide from the sugar. Concentrated sulfuric acid is a strong dehydrating agent. Dehydrating in the release of water molecules from a material that is attracted by a material such as sulfuric acid. The presence of carbon products from this reaction can be seen by the formation of a black color in the mixture when added with concentrated sulfuric acid. From the above equation, it can be seen that a reaction is an esterification reaction where a carboxylate acid reacts with an alcohol with an acid catalyst to produce an ester and a water molecule. Here it can also be seen that sulfuric acid is a catalyst in the esterification process, and the experimental result obtained of the is smelled like a candy, which indicates that the reaction is a ester. Conclusion: sulfur can be modified with its alkylate allotrope. The result of the modification are rhombic S8. The crystal form obtained is affected by temperature, while sulfuric acid has a properties as an oxidizing agent, dehydrating agent, drying agent, as a catalyst in the formation of ester. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.